If your Firefox browser is stuck in dark mode and you want to switch back to a lighter look, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to disable dark mode in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple clicks. This is a great fix if you prefer a brighter browser theme, want less strain on your eyes during the day, or just want Firefox to look more clean and classic again. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the menu button in the top right corner. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that menu to open Firefox settings and tools. From the menu, find and select extensions and themes. This will take you to the section where you can manage add-ons, themes, and browser appearance. On the next page, click on Themes. This is where Firefox stores the visual styles that control how the browser looks. Now, scroll down until you see Light Mode. Once you find it, click Enable. As soon as you do that, Firefox should switch out of dark mode and return to a light theme. You may notice the change immediately, and your browser interface should now look much brighter and easier to read. If you ever want to switch back again later, you can come back to the same theme section and choose a different appearance whenever you want. So that's how you disable dark mode in Mozilla Firefox quickly and easily. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful browser tips, and I'll see you in the next video.